tell us a little bit about who you are, how you got into the business,
Sure.
and how long you've been in the business.
All right. Been in business. Started a web development agency in 2001, 11 days before 9/11. So started out very challenging. Nobody was interested in websites and stuff. We started, building websites, and about 14 years after that, we had grown to a pretty large agency, and basically through some decisions, we decided to close down our agency, and we started building dashboards. We wanted that transparency that if we say, hey, Google says your mobile page load is really horrible, we didn't want to say, we build websites. So we wanted that non-bias, here's the data, and we just wanted to be able to become advocates